here's some footage from this camera. So this is a PTZ camera. You can basically point it wherever you want. It comes with an app. You can move it around using the app. I've reviewed several security cameras like this, and I'm actually really quite amazed and impressed with some of the extra bells and whistles that this comes with that you just don't see anywhere else. The basic design and the quality of the camera, I think that's kind of standard. It uses USB-C power on the back. Adding the camera to the app is really easy. The video quality is fine. You can put a TF card in there so you have local storage, so you don't need a cloud subscription. But there's some really cool things I really like about this. I will get to that in just a bit after I show you how to set this up and show you the app a bit. Now, this was sent to me so I could make this video. This is the PTZ style. So it goes back and forth, up and back. It gets power via USB-C. Then you can either set it just on a flat surface, or you can use this mount and mount it on a wall or wherever. And here's the hardware for that. It uses the Arenti app. Here's the QR code for the app. And this comes with its own 64 gig TF card. So I believe if we move this up, yeah, so there's the slot for that. Let's go ahead and put that in now. All right, and with that installed, let's go ahead and plug it into power. Just plug this in the back, and it's going to kind of power cycle through everything, calibrate. You can see the speaker on the back. I've already got the app installed, so let's see how simple it is to add. Press plus to add a device. And okay, so I did not have to do anything at all. It just found it. Well, that was easy. I'll go ahead and change the name to, we'll just call this bedroom, and done. All right, so if we press play on the app, it will establish a connection, and there we go. Let me mute this. And you can either swipe the screen like this to change where it's going, or you can press this PTZ button, and that's a little bit faster actually. That's kind of cool. You can change where you want it to go, or just swipe, and you can do full screen as well and swipe like that as well. It does have a mic, a speaker. If you want to on this screen just take a picture, you can do that. If you want to video, hi, how's it going? You can do a video, you can do full screen. You can even change the sound you want to, oh boy. So if you want to give your child nightmares, that's where you go to do it. And then if you look at the history, you can just kind of scrub through the history. That's pretty cool. So you can go back to where I just first turned this on. That's quite nice. And then in your album, you see everything that you manually did. Let's go to the settings. If you want to purchase cloud storage, you can do that. It's got AI intelligent analysis. It looks like this is something that you would also need to purchase. You can share the device with a family member. You can set an alarm. You can do auto tracking, PTZ correction, and you can also schedule a 360 patrol and just add a time period for that. You can also have it do all day recording. That will fill up the TF card pretty quick. It does have the 64 gig card. If you need to format it, you could do that here as well. And I will go ahead and turn on the 12-hour clock. A really nice thing about this, it does have on VIF. So we can go to on VIF settings, we can turn this on. So we will need to set a password, but then we will have an IP address for this. So if we want to use this with other software, we can do that. And we can even connect this to our smart devices. So if you have a device where you want to see the screen, you can get the instructions for how to set that up here. Another cool thing with this is you can turn it on or off, but you can also set a privacy schedule. So for example, what I like to do between the time we go to bed and wake up, we just turn on privacy, and we can also encrypt the video, which is really nice. So what are some of those things I really like about this that set it apart from other cameras? For one, it has on VIF. Now that's not completely unique, but I've tested a bunch of security cameras from China and almost none of them have on VIF. So I'm really happy that it does. And if you don't know what on VIF is, it's just a protocol that allows you to type in a URL and you can view the live feed using that URL. So for example, for me, I create a shortcut on my Windows computer that is tied to the URL of the video feed. So I can just type in my computer bedroom camera. It will automatically open up VLC and it will give me the video feed. So I don't even need to use software or an app with this if I don't want to. Obviously, you do have to use the app to set it up. But speaking of software, this also comes with Windows software. So you can use Windows software and you can view the camera. That is pretty unique for security cameras. And not only that, it has kind of this web portal, so you can sign up for an account, you can log in, and you can view the feed over the web. So even if you are at work or somewhere else and you want to view the feed from your camera, you can do that on the web portal. But I have to say, it was somewhat difficult for me to figure out how to do all of those things. For example, the OnVIF feed, I could not find that anywhere. I had to write to the company and say, what's the feed for that? But here's the URL you need to know if you want to use the OnVIF feed. With the Windows software, I kind of struggled as well. It didn't seem to work until I found out you have to like double click on the device to get the feed to come up. It doesn't just come up when you open the software. And then with the web portal, I couldn't find out how to log in because I couldn't find my country of US. It wasn't until I found out that it's America that I had to log into. And once I figured that out, worked just fine. So if you're looking for a good camera with a lot of features, I've been impressed with everything that this comes with, especially for the price. Really nice camera.